Welcome to my channel How to Tutorial Guide. Windows users have been reporting issues with Windows security not opening or working properly, especially after updating to Windows 11 or installing Windows updates. Windows Security is the default antivirus and security solution provided by Windows, and it can be frustrating when it malfunctions. In this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to fix Windows security not opening or not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Method 1. Reinstall using PowerShell. The first method to try is reinstalling Windows security using PowerShell. To do this, open the search box and type Windows PowerShell in the text box. Run PowerShell as an administrator and paste the following command to reset the Windows Store certification. After running the command successfully, launch Windows Security to see if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Reset the Windows Security app. If the issue persists, you can try resetting the Windows Security app. Windows Security stores cached data, and resetting the app should resolve the problem. Open the Start menu and go to the Settings menu of your Windows computer. Click on the Apps icon on the left menu. Next, move to the right section and click on Installed Apps. Scroll down through the list and locate Windows Security. You can also use the search functionality at the top to make your job easier. Click on the action icon, 3 dots, and then click on Advanced Options. Inside the Advanced Options of Windows Security, scroll down to the Reset tab and click on the Reset button. Confirm at the prompt and wait until the operation is complete. Check if Windows Security is accessible now. I hope this video will help you fix the issue of Windows security not opening or working properly. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.